How to find Shopify coupons best methods. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can find Shopify coupons in the easiest way possible. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you'll do is obviously you will come over to the Shopify App Store, and what that will do is it will bring you to creating product discounts. Okay, and you can obviously come to these discounts really easily by just coming on the left hand side. Okay, and the left hand side, it's going to show you discounts right here. And basically once you do that, here it's going to ask you to manage discounts and promotions, and these are basically coupons that you're going to make for the store that you have online. Okay, so if I click on create discount, you can use these different options like amount off products. You can put an order discount, shipping discount. Let's say I'm going to go with product discount. Okay, and you can actually choose a different discount code, whatever discount code you want, and obviously turn it into a coupon code and then start giving it off to people. And obviously you can set an automatic discount. You can keep a very own discount code for yourself if you want to set a different value or percentage, like let's say 8% discount. You can add it for specified products in your store. So let's say I'm gonna go with this product of mine, a black jacket, right? So 8% discount on this. If you add in the coupon, you have customer eligibility. Once you do all that, you're just going to click on save discount, and that will obviously go ahead and make the discount code. So as you can see, you have your discount code now, and everything should be saved properly. So that is how you're going to create coupon codes and find coupon codes on Shopify. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.